is the Sierra Bravo website challenge. Basically, we have 12 nonprofits and 12 different teams, and our job is to, once we figure out who our client is, build the best possible website for them. Our team is made up of every single functional area within FindLaw. So we have project managers, we have developers, we have designers, SEM consultants, and content writers. FindLaw has always advocated giving back to the community in any sort of volunteer capacity, and this is a way that we can show off our skills and the reputation that FindLaw has built in being able to build websites. So, we're helping out a nonprofit who needs a website, but we're also, showing everyone else here and, part of the community what we can do and how good FindLaw is at what they're doing.
All told, there'll be about 2,800 hours of volunteer web services delivered today. That's a street value of probably about $300,000. Last year we helped 11 nonprofits. This year we've upped it to 12. We just had so much response from the web development community. Not only Sierra Bravo, but FindLaw, other companies, some of our partner agencies that we work with a lot are here. Some competitors, some peers, friends, colleagues. It's just kind of a way to get together and give a little bit back.
It's basically free-for-all. There aren't any rules except for get your stuff done in that 24-hour time limit. So our company builds websites for law firms, small to medium-sized law firms. We all work for that company. So we brought different people from every functional area that we work with. We typically release, I think we're at 17 sites a day, so we have a lot of sites that go out.
The nonprofits just met their developer teams this morning, so they didn't have any time to really pre-plan. And they work for 24 hours straight to understand what the nonprofit needs and build a website that serves the needs that they want their website to do.
Our organization works to enhance cross-cultural understanding and ultimately peace in the world. And we do that via short-term cross-cultural immersion trips. That's our primary program, are the trips. We don't speak tech, so here come the ignorant questions.
We just met with our nonprofit, the Global Citizens Network, and we kind of found out what they want, and it's going to definitely be a challenge, but it's something that we hope to accomplish in the 24 hours that we have. We figured that we would get quite a challenging nonprofit because we knew that we're a bigger company, we have a lot of resources, a lot of great talent with our group that we have brought with us today.
Put it together, let's get their approval on here's how people are going to navigate through your site. Here's how you're going to get from page to page. Don't get set on the 24 hours. Let's shoot for, let's go with the idea that, okay, we can do all of this stuff. I'm going to list out all the features, development features, design features, anything else that we're doing, just so we know as we're going through the day where everything is, what's done, what's not done. Win or lose, the most important thing is that we're here to help. We're here to help a nonprofit who needs a website. We really do want to win, but the most important thing is to produce the best possible product that we can. We have a lot of Red Bull, a lot of Gatorade, a lot of sugar over in the corner there, so hopefully that'll help. We're also, flighting the developer's work time on and off, so somebody's always going to be resting. We have built-in rest time for them, which hopefully will help.
My strategy, and basically the boss man, Colin, he says that we have to get our sleep. There's going to be designated sleep time, but I'm going to try my best to get as little sleep as I can, just run on energy drinks. But if I'm really feeling like I got to crash and I'm not getting as much work in production as I'd like to get done, then I'm definitely going to go crash, take a nap, do whatever I can.
Well, it's 12:30 now. We've been at this for a long time. We're working our butts off. We've stayed focused, stayed on task for the most part. We're pretty much on schedule. We should be fine for the 9 a.m. deadline. So
we're starting to do a lot of the front end work now, which is kind of taking the design, integrating it, and actually making the whole site come to life. And that's going to be really exciting. In the next couple of hours, we're going to get a really good look at what we've accomplished.
It's the middle of the night. I think it's 1:45. And like you said, we've been at this all day. I'm tired, but these guys are great. GCN has been very lucky to be working with this amazing team. They're brilliant. Everything we've asked for, they're making it happen. It's like a dream come true. I think I said that this morning, but it's a dream come true still. they're each specialized, and yet, you know, and then they support each other and what they need and stuff. So it's just been fascinating working with them. I mean, we couldn't have asked for a better team. They're great.
Our energy level is up still, and yeah, things are going really well. I think the design overall, the tone, the colors, the functionality, I think it's really aligned with their business model. And she really had our client really had a lot of direction for the design, which was a big help in getting started. You know, a lot of times getting that initial idea is a big part of it, and so we really had a really good push right at the beginning. So we're just going to run strong for the next few hours and make it happen. So
we're going to put out a great product for this client. They've been updated throughout this process, so they're happy with everything so far. I'm happy with all of the effort and all of the yeses we've said to their requests. So yeah, that's the main thing, is we want them to go away happy, and if we win, you know, it's icing on the cake. You know, I tried to make these guys take breaks, and they just kind of ignored me or said we're fine. So actually, Derek, about a half hour ago, finally stepped away from his computer. So I think they're holding up well. Probably going to crash tomorrow, but we should be good for the rest of the night.
It's almost 9 o'clock, and I have to say it's died down quite a bit since the hectic chaos that was a couple of hours ago. It was more of a tired, hectic chaos. It was very weird to see people half drugged, half. I can't even explain it.
2, 1.
Our former site was a very static site.
With the content team and with the design team, as you can see, it looks seamless. I mean, it doesn't look like there are 80 pages behind this website.
A lot of people come to the website and want to engage as a global citizen and are unable or currently unable to go on a trip. And so what we wanted to do was to create a space where they could also engage, that they could become informed about the community, that they could talk to people who had already been on trips, learn more about these communities that GCN is engaging with, and perhaps ultimately end up going on a trip.
Everything's over. They're about to announce the winner, and you know, all the teams, I think, stepped it up a little bit from last year, so it's going to be some tight competition. I think we did really well, and I think you can put our work up against any teams, and I'm glad that our client is happy with the end product, and hopefully we'll win.
The winner of the 2009 Sierra Bravo Overnight Website Challenge is District 202 and their team Praxis.
We did not win, but you know, that's not what it was all about. You know, we were here to give our time back, and we helped a good organization, and they're getting a great website with a lot of nice features. It's one of those things that FindLaw is so big on promoting giving back to the community. They even let you take a volunteer day, and this is, you know, one of those things that that we all wanted to do. We were all handpicked, but nobody was forced to be here. We wanted to be here, and I think the end product, the end result, is something to be proud of.